And the mine security, it's amazing how these guys come out of nowhere, have found us out here and are you know, generally pretty supportive of what we're doing, but you know, want to make sure that everything is cool and that we get cleared by security so that we can continue running. Chris, as I said before, is the Sean Connery of Chile, and right now he's saying, "No, listen, can't you please let us go?" But in eloquent Spanish.
As Ray was saying a little bit ago, we are driving through a mining area right now, but I wanted to stop and show you guys what it looks like, what the land looks like after they're done mining it. So here, you can see they dig up the soil. Interesting stuff. Different than digging a massive hole in the ground or going into the mountain, but still has an effect on the landscape.
Today we got disoriented in lands that were in a mine. There's trails going everywhere and these huge clumps of salt, not that much different than what you see right here. Just to give you an idea, navigating around these piles is very difficult because, as you see, you can't really go over them. And there's miles of this stuff. So we ended up taking lunch at 25K. Christian is running with me today. And it's pretty hot today, windy. And so anyhow, we're just now heading out earlier from the lunch break in the hottest part of the day, but trying to get some miles done. I'll check in with you later.
Okay.
Well, today's been a very difficult day. There's no doubt about it. I would have to say, people are asking me what's been the most difficult day, and this is by far been the most difficult. I'm sure you can hear the wind. It's been pretty crazy. Chris was running with me for a while. He's taking a break, and Bob has now joined me at the last water checkpoint. We've had a few navigation issues today. I think this might be one of our worst mileage days ever. Pretty much stuck walking, and it's more like trudging right now. Hey, but you have good days and you have bad days, and these are the days that make the good days even better, right? We're about 25K into day 15, trying to, you know, rally back with another 60K, 65K, whatever, somewhere in there a day. So we're out here today, and as somebody asked me the other day, you know, what inspires you or motivates you during an expedition when you're getting low? And it's interesting, you know, even yesterday when we got into camp, and I was so bummed about, you know, not getting much past 40K, and spending the entire day just to get to that distance. And, you know, every night I call my wife Kathy and my daughter, and, you know, true to form, every single time, my wife always says to me, you know, we're so proud of you. Mia and I are so proud of you. And Mia, my 2.5-year-old, is watching the videos every day, and it's that kind of stuff that, you know, for me is a big inspiration. And so family for me, really, thoughts of that and the words of encouragement that my wife Kathy gives me are probably my most potent tools for the next day's run. So anyhow, I'm going to finish videoing for now because I got to get back to running. Hey guys, well, we just finished up, wrapped up day 15, losing track of them, and as I said at the end of yesterday's video, you know, the hardest days make some of the better ones seem the best, and this would have to be one of the best for sure. 60K today, and just amazing terrain. We ended up converging once again on a trail that ran alongside the Pan American Highway, and what was really cool is the story of the Atacama Extreme's been in newspapers across Chile, and so as truckers are driving by and cars are driving by, and Chris and I were running down the trail, people are beeping. It was amazing. Like, you know, maybe 100 people beeped at us as we were a good solid 100 meters off the trail, but they were spotting us and beeping. So it was really just pumping us up today, and yeah.